Rwimbo rwitagwo Icoki na Matamu verse 2 kana verse 2 na chorus njoke njikare thĩ. Maitũ Dorothy Wangari, when your beloved son was ordained as a pastor and he was vindicated as a shepherd of the people of God, it was such a joy for you as a mother to see the boy you nursed with your breast and on your arms, the boy you carried in your home for 9 months, become a pastor, a priest of the Most High God. You have seen him go up the ladder and nothing gave you so much joy more than that. Go well, Mom, become a guardian angel for your beloved son. Pastor JJ, as many still call him. With love in our hearts, we as many generations of your son as a pastor will forever love you. Rest in glory, Mami. Okay. Matugete JJ mama menya. Emuko. Mure ya gioka please. Matugete rimi kaja bihari wale please. Please come. We are singing with the mouth. We are singing with the mouthist. Okay, Julius, you get her. Trenda kuhorero please. Tukikwenda kweke ndio wa DJ. Amen.
Special song ya Bishop Thank you Mutukatiri Ann. Mukijitekeria tolera against time tunyite Mutukatiri wito kuma kuria Kiambu Kamote Priesthood Reverend Mwaki